What's up, guys? It's Haley
And me.
and Justine on the trampoline. And
See?
yeah, okay. So we're gonna do some tricks for you guys. This is a straddle basket toss. For those of you who don't know, that's when you start. I love it so much. This is what's called straddle basket toss.
Nice.
And this is back handspring, back tuck.
Nice.
I know, right?
Hold my jacket and don't let go.
Okay.
Okay, I'm gonna do it first. Can't really land it yet, but let's see. Whoa, that's a cool green car. No, really, there's a green car.
I'm not showing it. They're gonna know where I live.
Oh, almost. Oh! One more time. Oh, jeez!
Hunter, why are you wearing a girl's jacket?
Wait!
Okay, bye. See you guys tomorrow on day 9 of Eat. See you tomorrow. Bye!